From the current news, we got a clearer photo of the future BRP Miguel Malvar during its launch, and it appears the VLS launcher for the VL Mika only has a total of 16 cells and not 24 cells as initially thought. While the actual VLS cells are not yet available and we can only see the cover, you can see in the photo that there are 4 rows where the VLS cells can be placed. Based on estimates using nearby features, it appears that each row can only hold 4 VLS cells, which means the total VLS cells of 4 times 4 equals 16 cells only. The technical specifications of the project acquisition corvette called for a minimum of 16 cells, and it was expected that HDHHI would provide more than that for commercial reasons. The VLS cells themselves are being acquired along with the VL Mika missiles, which will be purchased separately as part of the Lot 2 phase of the corvette acquisition project. Lot 2 also includes the purchase of anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, chaff and flares, gun ammunition, etc. The Vertical Launcher System, VLS, weapon system is one of the advanced technologies used on modern warships, including the new HDC-3200 ship of the Philippine Navy. VLS aims to launch and direct missiles vertically, allowing ships to effectively carry out attacks on air, surface and even underwater targets. Vertical Launch Systems, VLS, are advanced systems for containing and firing missiles on mobile naval platforms, such as surface ships and submarines. Each vertical launch system consists of a number of cells, which can accommodate 1 or more missiles ready to be fired. Typically, each cell can accommodate a number of different types of missiles, so the ship has the flexibility to load the best set of missiles for any mission. Furthermore, when new missiles are developed, they are typically installed on the country's existing vertical launch systems, allowing existing ships to use the new type of missile without expensive rework. When the command is given, the missile flies straight up far enough to clear cells and ships, then turns on its desired course. Vertical launch systems can be hot launch, where the missile is ignited in the cell, or cold launch, where the missile is vented by gas produced by a gas generator that is not part of the missile itself, and then the missile burns. Cold means relatively cold compared to rocket engine exhaust. Hot launch systems do not require an ejection mechanism but do require a way to remove exhaust gases and missile heat as they leave the cell. If a missile ignites in a cell without an ejection mechanism, the cell must withstand the tremendous heat generated without igniting missiles in adjacent cells. How VLS works on the HDC-3200 ship involves several complex but efficient process stages. The following are several components and working stages of the Vertical Launcher System, VLS, weapon system on the HDC-3200 ship. Missile storage. The VLS on the HDC-3200 is equipped with launcher cells that can each store 1 missile. These missiles are stored vertically in launcher cells. Missile selection and preparation. Before launch, the VLS system will select the appropriate missile for the specified target. Missile preparation is carried out by ensuring the missile guidance system is ready to direct the missile to the target. Missile lift. When the ship is in position to launch a missile, the VLS system will lift the missile from the storage cell vertically towards the missile guide. Target determination. The VLS system will receive information regarding designated targets, either via the ship's radar or from other intelligence sources. The missile director will lock onto the target before launch. Missile launch. Once the briefing is complete, the VLS will launch the missile using internal propulsion. The missile will leave the ship vertically before heading towards the target at high speed. Insertion and detection. Some missiles are equipped with the ability to perform insertion, that is, a change in direction and flight altitude while en route. During flight, the missile will also continue to monitor the target and carry out detection to ensure the precision of the attack. By using the Vertical Launcher System, VLS, weapon system on the HDC-3200 ships, the Philippine Navy can increase the defense and attack capabilities of their warships. This technology allows ships to effectively launch missiles at various types of targets with precision and in a short time, increasing the operational capabilities of warships in a variety of combat situations.